Setting up Proof for conversion optimization might seem daunting at first, but it's actually a straightforward process that can significantly improve your website's performance. In this quick guide, we're diving into how you can leverage Proof to boost conversions with ease. Stick around, because at the end of this video, we'll unlock an exclusive extended free trial to help you get started without spending a dime. Now, Proof is a powerful tool designed to use social proof to increase trust and conversions on your site. With Proof, you can showcase customer actions in real time, display testimonials, and highlight social validation, all of which can compel visitors to take action on your site faster. And setting it up for conversion optimization is simpler than you might think. The first step is installing Proof on your website. Don't worry, it's just a few clicks. Once you've signed up and logged into your Proof account, head to the settings page. From there, you'll get a snippet of code to embed on your site. If you're using a platform like Shopify or WordPress, there are plugins that make installation even easier. This quick setup ensures you're up and running in no time. Next, you'll want to configure the type of proof you want to display. This is where things get fun because you can choose from various types of proof depending on your goals. You can showcase recent purchases, signups, or even product views. For example, if someone just bought a product, you can highlight that activity to create a sense of urgency and show visitors that people are already buying, which can influence their decision to purchase too. Once you've set up your proof, it's time to get into the details of customizing it for maximum impact. You'll want to match the design of the proof notifications to your site's branding. You can change the colors, adjust the placement, and even set up targeted rules to control when and where the proof is shown. This level of customization makes Proof work seamlessly with your existing design, ensuring it's not intrusive but still compelling enough to grab attention. The real magic comes when you start to optimize the timing and triggers for your proof. Let's say you want to show social proof only after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on the page or when they're about to leave. With Proof, you can set those triggers, ensuring that you're showing proof at the exact right moment to maximize conversion potential. Another aspect to consider is A/B testing. Proof allows you to test different types of social proof to see which one works best for your audience. This is crucial for optimizing your conversion rate. A simple tweak, like showing the number of people who have purchased a product versus showing real-time activity, can make a noticeable difference. Testing different variations gives you the data to make informed decisions. But don't forget the power of urgency. Proof offers features like countdown timers and limited stock notifications. These can be added alongside your social proof to create a sense of urgency. Think about it. When a visitor sees that only 2 left and 3 others are looking at this right now, they're far more likely to act quickly. It's all about playing into psychology and tapping into those emotions that drive decisions. Lastly, remember to monitor your results. Proof has built-in analytics that show how your proof displays are performing. You'll get data on views, clicks, and conversions, which allows you to adjust your strategy in real time. The key to success in conversion optimization is constant refinement, and with Proof's analytics, you have everything you need to make data-driven decisions. And before you go, remember that you can get started with Proof completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial gives you the perfect opportunity to test it out for yourself and see how much it can enhance your site's conversion rates. So, to sum it up, set up Proof for conversion optimization by first installing the software, customizing the Proof notifications to fit your brand, and fine-tuning the timing and triggers to optimize performance. Don't forget to test different types of social proof and use urgency tactics to really seal the deal. With all these strategies, Proof is a powerful tool that can drive more conversions and help you get better results from your website. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the link below to claim your extended free trial and start optimizing today.